Many of you would have heard about dengue fever and many of you have undergone the fever itself. Dengue fever is a fever which is caused by a virus called dengue virus, which is carried by mosquito bites. After the mosquito bite, the fever can develop abruptly. You may develop fever of up to 100 to 204 with lots of body pains, headache, mostly in the front of the head. You may have lot of nausea, abdominal pain, vomitings, and sometimes extreme weakness. This all develops in the first 4 to 5 days of the fever. Most of the time the fever will settle after 5 days, and then when the time the platelets will drop. The important thing to understand during the fever part, that is the first 4 to 5 days you lose lot of fluids from your body because of the fever and also because most of the times you will not be able to eat. So this is a time when hydration is very important. You must drink lots of water during this period, take adequate rest and take only paracetamol as the treatment. Fever, if it is not getting controlled, you are having lots of vomiting, not able to take fluids, you are having severe abdominal pain, very severe headache, you are mostly dull, you are not able to get out of bed. These are the signs where you need to rush to the hospital immediately. However, if you adequately take care in the first 4 or 5 days, most of the times dengue is treatable quite easily. Dengue fever is associated with low platelets, which typically develops after day 4 or day 5, and platelet transfusions sometimes are required, but most of the persons who platelet develop transfusions are not required. We have very strict criteria nowadays when to transfuse platelets. The most important part to understand the control of dengue is by the control of your mosquitoes. Your house, surroundings, all this have to be kept clean. Stagnant water pools have to be cleaned. You should have self-protecting, especially in the dengue season, wear long cloths, especially long trousers. Keep yourself protected from mosquito bites. And whenever you get a fever like this with headache, body pains, and you're feeling extreme weakness, do not delay in consulting your doctor, because early treatment, most of the times dengue is curable. And at the last, do not fall for cheap YouTube campaigns or gimmicks about some drugs or some other medicines like papaya leaves and other things. They are not the curative for dengue, to understand. They do not improve dengue. So you need to consult your doctor, let the doctor understand the symptoms, and let the doctor decide what type of treatment you need to undergo. Thank you.